Halloween Mickey. The train tracks. Ever heard the train at all?
I never heard that train.
Epcot. Here's our famous Disney quote.
Proudly as American as anyone could possibly be, he thought it would be fun to watch the American family go through the 20th century, experiencing all the new wonders as they came. And he put them together in a show called Carousel of Progress, which we are now about to see. Although our Carousel family has experienced a few changes over the years, our show still revolves around the same theme, and that's progress. May the century begin.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow is just a dream away. And there's a dream that's the start, who follows his dream, mind the car.
It's a dream come true for you and me. So there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
have to ask Adam or Tim. I'm sure there's a backstory into these characters.
Becomes a reality. It's a dream come true for you and me. Shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow. Just a dream away.
Up next, Tomorrowland Speedway just came off with Tron.
You can't tell if it's running or not.
Oh no, I haven't heard any cars.
Yeah. It might be too late.
No!
Buddy, please stay in one line. I will trample you if you walk in front of me. I don't think it is.
I don't think it is either. That's why I don't think it's running. That sucks. Nope.
Nope. No.
Boo. Run in the rain, but not when it's warm. That's not cool. Not cool at all. Fortunately, that is closed. So moving on to the next thing.
What is the next section?
Who knows? We got too much time between the next thing.
You're gonna find something.
We just keep walking and running into something.
Eventually you run into something.
They got a line waiting. Like, what did y'all break? Like, oh poo. On to the next thing. Spin, spin. Woo. The looks of joy.
Why is you one for? Oh God, no.
Mm-hmm.
I advise we hurry. Like right now. Buddy.
Did somebody wish for no rain?
Yes, that was me.
Follow the light.
Six this way.
About to get on Pirates. Let's go. Whee! Oh, into the water. Oh, I got wet.
Already?
Yes.
How?
Dipping into this water.
As someone in the middle, I'm grateful. You guys should take the side hits, and I get the front hit. If I scream, I'm sorry.
are in a storm.
Yeah. If I scream, I'm sorry. It caught me off guard. Oh.
Oh, I heard a drop and a splash. Beach, my stuff getting wet again.
Yay, stuff's getting wet again. I'm assuming it's right
Prepare for
there.
a dip. Yep.
You ready for the drop?
Class key for
The drop.
Was that the camera? Okay. Ah, it's in my ear.
Oh no.
Oh. Ah.
Listen, it's not on me, so I don't care.
That's fine. I'll take the hits. It's well worth it.
When you be Captain Jack Sparrow, speak up. Or do you fancy a swim with the game?
You hot-livered lubber! Strike your feathers, dear. Show your flock.
Captain Jack. Always hiding. Ho ho! Ho! Drink me up, me hearties.
Swummies, what may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Hey there, you bilge rat!
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boy?
Rum! Yeah! Rum!
Never find the treasure without a look at this here map. It's lovely key to the treasure.
Hey, Captain Jack.
Here I be.
The dog is trying to tell you something, dude.
And the key as well.
Look behind you.
To see the look.
Captain Jack is hiding. City on fire. Such a lovely smell. And another doggy.
Oh my god. We have a star.
Well, it is nighttime. City bird.
Oh, I'm assuming there's no drop. I just heard a scream.
behind us.
I'm trying to get home.
Hello, sir. It's us what needs a running.
And we're done.
Oh no. My bad.
See, that's people at the beginning screaming, getting lit. Captain Jack just
and its many shiny rewards.
he used to be in more of the ride, I do believe, but oh well. And that was Pirates of the Caribbean. 7 minutes long. Welcome everyone. Not Adam the Woo here. At the Haunted Mansion.
I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Those standing, please move off the walls into the center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten.
Haunted Mansion.
Oh, yes.
You okay, buddy?
No flash pictures, please.
Can I get a thumbs up? Thumbs up? Good job.
Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the Haunted Mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Unbelievable here in this place. Every room has wall to wall.
There he is, the Hatbox Ghost.
Running chills.
He did the thing.
regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders,
Adam the
tail
Moto.
of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a tail, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wave as of expecting you. I'll see you all from
We have stopped. After a couple minutes delay, we're back on track.
Or a silly spook, they sit by your
selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join us. Make final arrangements now.
And that was pretty much it for the Haunted Mansion. Till the next round.